shaded from the sun under this pine forest, and you go either way and you have vast.
Alright, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to Garen's Outdoor Adventures. My name is Garen, and today I'm going to take you guys along with me for 3 nights solo dispersed camping in Los Padres National Forest. Right now, I'm in Los Olivos, a small town north of Santa Barbara, very beautiful. We're gonna fill up the water. I'm here right by the public park, and then we're gonna head up to the mountains. On our way up there, there's a very famous and interesting spot I'm gonna stop by and show you guys what I'm talking about. Today, on my truck, I brought my motorcycle, a lot of off-roads and dirt roads right there. You can have fun, bring your motorcycle, and we're all prepared. Gonna barbecue tonight, have some steak, got a firewood, and I brought a fire pit. I'm gonna show you later on, guys. This is very safe. When it's windy, you can have the fire under control and not to have any problem, you know. I love my truck. It's not a big truck, but perfect for me. I put my motorcycle here and take it anywhere I want. So I'm gonna fill up the water and head up to the mountains. So stay with me and let's do this together, guys. This is the famous Neverland, Michael Jackson's ranch. Here, the famous Neverland ranch, Michael Jackson's ranch. Beautiful place. Family sold the place years ago, but still people come and visit, especially on Michael Jackson's anniversary of passing away. A lot of people come here. This place is full of flowers still. Huge ranch. I think it's about 2,800 acres. Absolutely beautiful, amazing. Just wanted to stop by and show you the famous Neverland. It's on our way to go for a camp. Stunning. I'm going to show you something, guys. Last time I was here, I camped here. I camped here so many times, you know. beautiful spot. The view is fantastic. I'm telling you, you are not gonna get tired of this view. The sad part is last July, July of 2024, it burned down here. You know, I was talking to the ranger, and he was telling me, I think if I'm not mistaken, 400,000 acres burned. That's another spot you can camp there. I've camped there many times too. If it's windy, you're done. If not, beautiful view. So now here, the road is getting a little bit rough. I don't have a full-wheel drive, so we gotta go slow. If it rains, you need a four-wheel drive here, definitely. But the point is, you know, they don't maintain these roads. You know, California. They do not spend money on these things, which is very important. Unfortunately, they don't. You see here? That's what they say. We are right on the saddle. It's open from everywhere and it's windy, you see? And today it's not that windy. If it's windy, you cannot stay here. Challenging part, it starts now. This hill is a little bit, oh, damn, stiff and narrow. A lot of rocks. So we gotta be going slow. Hoping now that the car doesn't come because this is too narrow for two cars. spot that I'm talking about is here. Hopefully nobody's taking that spot. Because if not, we're gonna go further up or go back. All right, nobody's here. Yeah, baby. That's the spot. Let's go and see. Okay, guys, we arrived. But look at this. It's so many firewood here, right? That. Oh my God, somebody was here. Last time when I came here, like maybe 3 weeks ago, a month ago, they were camping here. Somebody camped. But look at this. This is like they left this much firewood. Oh my God. What? Are you serious? These are good firewood. Look at this. Oh my, that's incredible. Oh God, this is beautiful. All right. And these ones were not here. I don't know who brought these firewoods here. So this is the camp, guys. Look at it. Beautiful. This is home for 3 nights. Yeah. Nice and quiet. And I don't know what are these. Water. They left the water. I don't know. Oh yeah, they left water too. I don't know. They like this is like the rangers brought this here or the people that they were here before. I don't know. This is beautiful. Let me show you that we have to unpack, but let's see here. This is one of the best. I've never camped here. I passed, I usually camp down where a couple of spots that I show you. You see, the higher you come, it's windy here, but it's beautiful. From here we have a view, and all right, we're right there. Beautiful spot. Look at that. Oh my God. Awesome. Guys, I would like to show you something I know it's not enough light, but I have to show you this. If you want to have a fire, you don't have a fire starter or anything, you're in a place that there are lots of pine needles like that, just collect some, put it here. Let me turn on some lights. All right, that's it. This is a perfect fire starter, trust me. Just let this burn. Doesn't need any fluid or anything. These things are very dry. No. That's it. This is how to start your fire. Where you're at, places that they have pine needles, you know. Perfect for starting a fire. That's it. See? Now you got your fire. Good morning, folks. Couple of updates. I forgot eggs. Every time I come camping, there's something missing. Last time I forgot the butter, the other time olive oil, but this time is eggs. But it's okay. I'm gonna have a hot tea with a peanut butter sandwich, and then I'm gonna take my bike, enjoy the ride, enjoy the dirt road, go to Los Olivos and buy some eggs, and I'll be back. Last night I didn't do much. I didn't film much. I set up the camp late and I was kind of tired, so I chilled by the fire, had some sardine for dinner. But today we're gonna have a nice dinner. I have a barbecue meat and I have a nice porterhouse steak. So we're gonna have cook some dinner tonight and enjoy the day. It's a beautiful day. Last night was a little bit windy, but it was a nice day. Full moon, beautiful night, and still a little bit windy. This is the season that it's windy right here, but we have a nice camp spot, and but the weather overall is very good. So stay with me and let's have some fun. All right, folks, we have a special guest today. I was getting ready to take you guys up to the mountains and show you the ranch where I was talking about with the big lake, and Nathan showed up. He was just hiking up there with his beautiful baby, and it's a hard hike, you know. He came all the way up here with this gear, and the baby is like maybe about 40 pounds.
Maybe more, yeah.
Maybe more, so it's not everybody can do. He's a professional hiker. So I asked him if it's okay with him. We talk a little bit about the area so you guys know what's going on. And he hikes, right? He lives down in Solvang. It's a beautiful Danish town. you guys, when you're around, you should visit the Solvang. And so, Nathan, if you don't mind, just introduce yourself and say something about the area, how long you've been coming here, hiking, and
yeah.
please.
My name is Nathan, and I come up here as much as I can. This is my pastime.
Okay.
This is what I do for fun. Explore these mountains. Briggs has been doing it with me since he was an infant, and his older sister the same thing. Yeah, actually, this is my favorite spot. My favorite camp on this road, at least. Where you are right now, shaded from the sun, under this pine forest, and you go either way, and you have vast views. To the south, you can see the whole valley, and then the mountain range, Santinez Mountain Range, running east-west, and beyond that, the Pacific Ocean. And you can see
Yeah.
the Pacific Ocean from here.
Oh yeah.
And you turn around, and you see mountains and mountains, ribbons of mountain ranges. Yeah, it's a beautiful area.
So Nathan, how long you've been hiking around these areas?
Maybe 5 years or so. Yeah.
So there are a lot of hiking trails, isn't
Yeah,
it?
unfortunately, I didn't grow up here, so just 5 years, and there's still so much to explore. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're so close to the Sierras that a lot of people bounce over this backcountry, but this backcountry is vast, and there's no crowds.
And tell us about that ranch we were talking about, because I'm gonna take after this. I'm gonna take the guys to see the ranch. I was telling them how beautiful and a one of a kind of ranch that is.
Yeah, it's private, so it's hard to get to. Well, you can't get to it. But Briggs and I were going there this morning to. There's a spring that's on the national forest land that drips into the ranch, drips into the lake. And the lake there is incredible. There's no lakes out here. This is a dry area, but there's a lake there, and it's a kind of a sacred space. People say it's pretty healing. And so we wanted to go find the spring water and drink from it this morning, and then hike back. Yeah.
And the incredible thing is right now is the maybe driest time of the year, right after summer, but that lake is full. Imagine, like, I can imagine in like March or, in February, March, how that lake is gonna be.
It's full. They say that there's no bottom to it.
Oh, really?
That's the legend.
Well, it's
at least.
that deep?
It's a very deep lake. You can see the slopes running into it. They're not gentle. They shoot straight down. One of them's a rock face that shoots down. Then this steep mountain range here shoots down into it, and it's just like this little pocket of a lake. And yeah, apparently there's no bottom to it.
Are there any use of that lake, or that's just private? Is for the owners to enjoy?
It's private.
Private. Yeah.
It's in a movie. There's a horror movie.
Oh, really?
That was filmed there.
Oh,
yeah.
I bet it's.
I can't remember the horror movie, but there's a whole horror movie, kind of a cheap movie, I think, that was filmed there.
I bet like properties like that, Nathan, is gonna be maybe handful of those property, maybe in the world. I'm not talking about even in California or United States, isn't it? Yeah, I've seen a lot of ranches around here in Bishop area, up north when I went for a road trip. Nothing come close to that property.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah. So this is a beautiful baby. He came hiking. He's gonna be a good hiker when he grow up. Nathan, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, and thank you for sharing your cool food.
Anytime.
We came short on food, and we got an apple and fruit.
Oh, I have a lot of food. I brought a lot of food. I was planning to live tomorrow, but I'm gonna stay Monday. I might even thinking to stay one more night because everything is good. As you say, this camping spot is perfect. You got all the shades.
Yeah,
it's
I would stay
private.
As long as I could.
I cannot leave.
As much water as you have.
Yeah, and then the point is that it was here too. It's full of water.
Really?
Yeah. Somebody brought that. It's full of water. That too. Yeah, I have enough water too. So Nathan, thank you so much.
My pleasure. Nice to meet you again.
Yeah, now I hope I see you guys again. Yeah.
Maybe on this road again.
Thank you. It's so cute. All right, guys. Thank you so much, and thank you, Nathan. For the interview and let us know a lot about the area. And I see you guys later on. I'm gonna take you and show the ranch. Thank you so much.
Oh, I'm sorry, Briggsy. I'm sorry, Briggsy.
All right, guys, that was Nathan. He was a super nice guy. So he's leaving, go back to his car. It's a long hike with like 40 plus pounds on his back. The baby is like a year and a half, you know, and not everybody can do this, you know. He hiked maybe 7-8 miles up to here. I mean, past here to go to the ranch, and maybe eight miles or so to go back. Thank you, Nathan. You were absolutely nice. Look at this, road is closed. So this tree fell and closed the road. I'm gonna try to see if I can move it a little bit so I can pass, because we gotta go up there to show you the ranch. I try to, it's impossible. It doesn't even move. Look at it. No way, but I'm gonna go back. I have a small saw I'm gonna bring to see if I can cut it from the middle, then it's easier to move, because this thing is stuck right there. It's like, even for two people, I think it would be really hard or impossible to move. So I'm gonna go back down, bring the saw on to see if we can remove this a little bit so we can go up. It's beautiful up there. We'll try it. All right, gonna go bring the hand saw to see if it's a small one, but let's see. I gotta try. All right, I'm back. I brought the axe and the saw. The saw is very small. Let's see if it's gonna work. You know, we'll see. This saw is small, but I think we got it. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Never give up. Never give up. So, let's take these things out of the way. Now, you have to move this big. Holy shit. Oh, God damn it. All right, you're fine. I can cut this. Few branches, then we can go. Okay, so this is the road we came up from there, where we cut the tree, and after that, maybe a mile and a half, 2 miles after that, the ranch is here. And then this road is going 2 more miles, about 2 more miles down there, and it ends right there. It's a beautiful spot there too. It's like just a plain, like a cul-de-sac, but with a panoramic view. Good morning, folks. Today is Saturday, so last night was second night that I was here. Today in the morning, I washed the dishes from last night. Had a good dinner last night, and then I'm making some hot tea and some omelette. As you know, I forgot eggs, but yesterday I rode down to Los Olivos and bought some eggs. It is, got 2 packs of eggs. We gotta have some mushroom and onion with it. Awesome. Okay, these are the targets, and I'm going to shoot it from right where the car is, where I put the chair. It's about 35 to 40 feet, you know. I'm gonna sit down and shoot from there to see how accurate my air gun is. Let's do this. All right, folks, grab your popcorn, sit still and watch, but don't try this at home. All right? Yeah, buddy. In case you guys wonder when I put, try to, because this is, I'll show you. It's very, it's hard to push it, and I'm using this, it's easier. You can use anything, a quarter, anything you have, but this I find it very easier. My fingers are all messed up from, cold water and camping and stuff like that. This is real easy. That's what I'm using. You guys might be wondering what was I doing. Let's hear one more time the bottle, the water bottle. Makes a better sound. Yeah, buddy. Nice air rifle. So much fun when you're outdoor, when it's safe. Be very safe, but it's very important. It's an air rifle, but you gotta be safe to know how to use it, what direction you're shooting, So be aware of your surroundings when there are not people around, especially when there are not kids around. When there are kids around, be very careful. Do not use this. You know what I'm saying? Be always cautious about what you do. But so much fun. And I got something else. Stay tuned. Again, it's a lot of fun. Stay with me, I'll show you that. This is what I was talking about. Slingshot. So much fun. You guys, if you're not into the slingshot, once you get into it, you cannot stop. You need practice to be good, but it's very accurate once you're good. It's been last trip I didn't use it, so you gotta be practicing like everything. This is simple shot. I gotta change the band. I have so much band and everything here, So this is one that I like it, one of my favorite, and I got so many of them. And this is another one, smaller one, very compact, There's a way to use, way to aim, stuff like that. If you guys want to know about how to aim, how to work with it, I'm not very good at it. I'm not professional, but I know some stuff I can tell you guys. And so we use these pallets, It's very safe for the environment too. And the steel shots are for hunting. I don't hunt, you know, but, and this is another one. I gotta put a new band on it too. This is from Simple Shot too, and I like the first one better. And got many others at the home. Oh, I got this one here too. You know, this is pretty good. These are all I used so many times. I gotta change the bands. I have so many bands here. So we're gonna try one or two of them and to see how fun it is. And if you guys want to know anything about the slingshots, you know, what to buy, where to buy and stuff like that, let me know. As I'm telling you, I'm not professional, but I'm doing this like 5-6 years now, and it's a lot of fun, let me tell you that. So let's do this and you guys see what I'm talking about. I'm using this slingshot today, and later on I'm going to change the bands on the other one and try that one. So I'm going to shoot from like 30 feet away. Let's try the green can. Now we're gonna try the can in the middle. All right. Now the water bottle. Very good. It's been a while I haven't practiced, but I'm still pretty good. So much fun. I shot this one. It's very small. There are different, you know, way of handling it. Depends how careful you are, how comfortable you are. And the band has, you cannot, you know, the band has to be like straight. There's a way to shoot it, and then how to grab it. You know, you can grab it like that. Some people like it like this. You know, so it depends how comfortable you are, and there are many keys involved to be accurate. So if you guys want to know about it, let me know in the comment. Okay, we are back in Los Olivos, all the way down here. I stopped by because it's a public park right here where we got our water on our way up, and I had some trash. I dumped the trash here. There's a trash cans, so I'm gonna head home. Hope you guys enjoy this trip with me. Thank you so much for being with me on this trip. I had a lot of fun, If you guys like my content, please share my videos, like my videos, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless all of you. I love you all.